All right, it's time to rate some more Canadian portfolios. We'll see if we can get some good ideas, or we'll just rip them for investing in such crap companies. So we're back on Reddit. This is my Rate My Portfolio June 2024 edition. So let's jump into it. Let's see what we got. First one, again, another boring XEQT, 60%, VFV, 35%. Those are just ETFs. Super diversified. VFV is 500, whatever. Let's just jump to the next one. 100% in BN. Brookfield Management. All right. Going all in. Let's swing for it. Let's go for it. Let's see where Brookfield's trading at. Brookfield Corp here, they're a big real estate investment firm. They own all the real estate all over the world. Super big company. It's peaking here. All-time highs. Nice. Chart's beautiful. Just keeps going up. They've had a rough year or two here, and it's popped back up. All-time highs again. Interest rates are coming down. That's going to help them hugely. I'm sure they're going to break the company up. A couple spin-offs coming up. You can see the commercial unit getting spin-off in a couple years. And I'm sure there's another 2 or 3 more spin-offs that they can do. Those have been hugely profitable. People don't know how to view this company, how to estimate how much it's worth because they got so much going on. And they've been doing a good job spinning all those companies out. If you're going to go all in on one company, this is probably it. I should maybe buy some of this one. I don't own it. It's at all-time highs now. Damn, I missed out here. All right, so we got Brookfield here. We're going to compare these symbols, see what they give us. XEQT, just an all-in-one ETF, and VFE, the top 500 S&P. Let's compare these symbols and see how well they do. All right, who's in the lead here? So the orange line is VFV. That one's popping off. The blue line's XEQT. It's down here. And the middle one here, I believe the bar chart is BN, Brookfield. So it's doing pretty good. Let's zoom in out here 1 year. 1 year, this one's in the lead, big time. Just popping off, beating both indexes there. 3 years out though, not as great. Down here, so it really depends where they bought it. They didn't say where they bought Brookfield here. But over 20 years, it's beaten even the S&P 500, even though that gap is kind of closing in. Brookfield's been knocking it out of the park. They've been doing a good job there. It's not a bad company to go all in. So there's a comparisons there on the chart. Not bad. I approve. Someone's asking, when will you lock in gains? Honestly, I'll probably never sell. Good move. But they're thinking about reducing risk and investing in the ETFs. Yeah, okay. They're young, so I'm thinking they probably have only owned it for a couple years. Let's go back to that chart for 1 second. Kind of depends how long they've owned it for. The last couple of years, Brookfield has not been too popular. Even 5 years out, they're way down. And this doesn't include any of the spin-offs that happened in the last 2 or 3 years. There's been a couple spin-offs, so it's a little hard to judge this chart as it looks. I bet if you add all the spin-offs, they'd be pretty closer up to the indexes. Young professional in the early 30s, 40% Canadian stocks, just another ETF, 37.5 in US stocks, another ETF, 15% in international stocks, ETF, and emerging markets, developed. Okay, next, not interested, just boring stuff there. All right, this one here, 51% in Apple, 14% in Google Alphabet there. 7% in Microsoft, 2% in Tesla. CMR, which one's that? 26. I'm assuming that's 2.6. Well, maybe. Could be 26. CMR, what is that? Okay, so CMR is just money. It's basically an interest rate bank account. So this one just pays interest rate every month. So yeah, nothing there interesting. Honestly, that's way too much cash. 26% in cash. They're going to regret that one. They got to get out of there. If you're going to just invest in these companies, you're probably just better off to invest in VFV. And you would have missed out on all the big gains in the semiconductor space there, the chip space. All right, here we go. TFSA Holdings. First one comes up at CCL. Right away, I know this one's a little bit of a degenerate. So this is Carnival Corp. This is cruise ships. I don't know why you would want to own this one. Let's see the chart. Ever since that pandemic happened, crashed down. It's popped up, crashed down, popped up, crash, popped, crash. It's kind of leveling out here. The chart actually looks pretty good. I could see this one popping off. Not in a while, but this one will be a slow mover. It's a $23 billion market cap, but I could see this one. If you look here, it kind of drops. It's kind of building up a nice little base here. It keeps testing up around here, 19 bucks or so. Once it breaks out there, I can see it going over 20 here. It's going to be a slow mover, but end of year type of deal. I could see that one popping over 20. CLS, which one's that? 16.9. So I have to look at what CLS is. I have no idea, actually. And I still don't know what it is. They look like they do supply chains. I think they do supply chains. I'm not really sure what this company is. Optimize your supply chain. Okay, that's what they do. Check out the charts. Trading at $60 on the USD here. Ooh, it's pretty good. 1 year, it's gone from $20 to 60. 1 year, it's up almost 300%. Wow, this company is killing it. Okay, they know what they're doing here. They don't need to be posting their portfolio online, getting judged by people. That's a nice little pickup. Disney, next one. Okay, Disney stock, I thought it was over 100. Haven't looked at this one in a little bit. Not interested in this one all that much. Maybe they're in it for the Disney cruise ships, who knows. But yeah, it's kind of doesn't do a whole lot here. See, last time I looked at it, it popped up over $100. I thought it would keep going. It did pop up, continue on for a little bit, but it's dropped down. It's given up all its gains since this earnings report here. Back below 100. Ouch, Disney not getting any love. PNG. What is that? So I assume PNG is this $250 million market cap. Kraken Robotics. No idea what that is. Looking at the chart again. Another one I haven't heard of, but doing pretty good. Last year it's up. It looks like it's almost up 200%. Just under 200%. Damn, not bad, not bad. Even year to date, look at that chart. Almost up 100% year to date. What is Kraken Robotics? It looks like they do underwater stuff. It's the best I can say. Underwater, understood. There you go. This is a pretty small company. This is kind of an all or nothing bet. You're going to hit it off or the money's just going to be gone. They raised money a little bit at what? Just under $1. Okay, well, hey, this one's doing pretty popping off too. This person's got some picks. Maybe I'll invest in some of these. All right, Yellow Robin Smith. You're killing it. So that's what I kind of like about doing this. You just kind of hear about other people's strategies. You learn something about some new companies to maybe look into. This one's all index funds here. Only notable exception is INDA. It's an India ETF, basically, following the Indian market. And feel free to roast me. PNG, 51%. Whoa. That's a robotics company we just looked at. This one's coming out of nowhere, this robotics company. UGE, what's that? So this is a solar energy company. UEG. Looks like they must have gotten bought out. I mean, if they've been bought out, I would just sell it. I have no idea what the deal is. You kind of risk it just collapsing deal or something like that. That's what I'm always scared of when I see this. When it's getting bought out, I just sell it and move on. I haven't really been in that situation before, but I would probably just sell it and move on. I assume they're talking about TSX, this gold company here. Gold's been killing it too. Look at that chart. It's almost up 100% year to date. The only thing I remember about this one is they got a big mine coming online in the next 2 or 3 years. Maybe a little bit longer, I can't remember. Haven't looked into this company in a little bit. That's what I remember anyways. There's a really big company mine coming online. Looks like maybe it's getting close now because it's really running and spiking up now. ADN, next one. All right, this is another company. I don't know what they do. Chart-wise, it's not at all-time highs. It's not at the lows. Doesn't look too bad. A little bit of sell-offs going on. Nothing crazy. Let's try and find out what this company is. A distributor of architectural products. Okay, it's an architectural company. Interesting. There you go. Guess they design homes and stuff. Huh, interesting. Didn't know about this company at all. That's why I love doing these videos. Honestly, if you believe in the companies, all those companies are actually doing pretty good. So They've got some sort of strategy and it's working out for them. PNG is apparently pretty popular these days. They must got some big contracts coming up or something. Yeah, I've never heard of like half these companies in this guy's portfolio. They're all huge stakes and they're all doing pretty well. Anyways, if you want, put your portfolio down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.